Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to insert a block library in AutoCAD. Block libraries are one of the biggest time-saving systems in AutoCAD because they allow you to reuse pre-built drafting components instead of recreating objects repeatedly from scratch. Professional CAD workflows rely heavily on organized block libraries for architecture, engineering, interior design, manufacturing, and construction drafting. Instead of drawing the same symbols, furniture, fixtures, or mechanical parts again and again, users simply insert them from reusable library files. A block library is a collection of reusable drawing components stored for repeated use. They help save drafting time, maintain consistency, reduce repetitive work, and standardize designs. Instead of redrawing the same object repeatedly, you reuse professionally prepared components. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to insert blocks. On the drawing interface, type Insert. Then press Enter. The Insert command opens AutoCAD's block insertion system. This allows users to insert blocks, access libraries, and manage reusable drawing content. After pressing Enter, the Insert panel opens. The panel includes different tabs such as Libraries, Favorites, Recents, and Current Drawing. Click on Libraries. The Libraries tab allows access to external reusable block collections stored outside the current drawing. Click Open Block Libraries. A file browser opens so you can select the drawing file containing the block library. Now choose the drawing file you want to use as the block library. Make sure the files are those of .dwg files. What a DWG file is. DWG is the standard AutoCAD drawing file format. It stores geometry, layers, blocks, annotations, and CAD data. Any DWG file can potentially serve as a reusable block library if it contains reusable drafting components. After selecting the DWG file, click Open. The block contents from that DWG file load into the Insert panel. Once the block library appears in the panel, drag the block and then drop it into your drawing workspace. What happens next? The selected block becomes part of your active drawing. You can now move it, scale it, rotate it, and reuse it further. You accessed an external block library, loaded reusable CAD content, inserted pre-built drafting components, and improved drafting efficiency. You used reusable CAD assets instead of manually redrawing objects. Why block libraries are so powerful? Professional CAD workflows rely on libraries because they improve speed, standardization, drawing consistency, and workflow efficiency. To summarize, inserting a block library in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and typing Insert on the drawing interface before pressing Enter. This opens the Insert panel containing tabs such as Libraries, Favorites, Recents, and Current Drawing. After selecting Libraries and clicking Open Block Libraries, a file browser opens where you select the desired DWG drawing file containing the block library. Once the file loads into the Insert panel, the blocks can be dragged and dropped directly into the active drawing workspace for use in the project. And that's how to insert a block library in AutoCAD. The biggest productivity jump in CAD drafting usually happens when users stop drawing everything manually and start building reusable systems through blocks and libraries. That's how professional drafting becomes dramatically faster and more consistent. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.